is a video on the Elago AirPods earhook, and these earhooks I bought from Amazon, and I'll show you. I bought from Amazon at the time, and they're still selling on there actually for $8.99, and you get them in various colors, and I'll put them there. You get them in black, red, the white as you've seen, jean indigo, and night glow blue. You get them in, and they can be worn on the AirPods 1 and 2 AirPods. And this is what the box looks like when you get them. Secure fit, comfortable, easy installation, safe, clean and safe. And a little picture of a person wearing them to show you how they've been worn, and the easy steps to put them on for the installation of them. When you get the box, you see you get a little pull out tab. You pull on that, which opens the box. We take that out, and they come in a little bag like this. Move that to one side, and this is what they look like. Now, I've had mine for quite a while, and I use them mainly for the gym, when I want to hear my surroundings in the gym. So sometimes I wear my Jabra 65Ts to the gym if I want to completely block out all sound, but sometimes I bring these. And as you can see on them, they say left and right on them. So if I just put them in there, left and right, and I will get my iPod. And as you can see, the left one, I'm absolutely so clumsy. Here it goes. I've got this mixed round. Right, the left one goes into the left there, and that's into the right, and that's how it will look. Now, you have the facings of the writing that faces towards the side of your face. So on the outside here, it's blank, so just bear that in mind, that the part with the writing of the company name is on facing your side, facing the side, goes towards your skin, side of your head. So they fit on like so. So I'll show you with a picture of them on. Now, that was a picture of me showing the right and the left, and taking a picture of yourself. Taking a picture of your ear is so difficult when it's you doing it. But anyway, that was the picture of the right and the left, and that's how they look. Now, you can adjust the fit, obviously, just by sliding the AirPod through the air hook. As you can see, you can adjust the fit. Obviously, it does not come up to that microphone there. It doesn't appear to come to that microphone. As you can see, it stops short of that. But I doubt anybody will have it in their ears up to this point anyway, so it won't obscure that at all. And as I say, they do keep well in your ear, so it is suitable for runners, very suitable. And so if you like your AirPods and love them, but you want to go to the gym with them, but every now and again they fall out, for £9 for these ain't too bad, and they are washable. You can wipe them down as well, so they are washable. As I said, I've had mine for literally since December, and I've had no problems with them, with this particular thing at all. They haven't stretched out and lost their shape. They still retain their shape. As you can see, I do not have any problems as such. When I first originally ordered these, it was only in white, but as it says, they've got other colours now. So this is a very good product if you want to keep your AirPods, sorry, I keep saying iPods, your AirPods, if you're in a gym basis or running, they're very good. And that is I say this again, the Elago AirPods AirHook. Very good product. A must if you're going to if you need your AirPods for the gym and for running, it's a must to have them. Anyway, that's my video on these. Please do me a favor. Please like, please subscribe, and also leave a comment down in the comment section. Thanks.